What's up? Welcome to Pinoy Techman. So today we're gonna review this Bosch. It's the new Ultra Open earbuds. This is the box. There's a case like that, charging case. So let's open it. Let's try it. Okay. So this is how you wear it. Okay. So there's a button here at the back that one press, second press, third press, wrong press for the volume. Then there's a left and right also for the volume level. So let's see. This is the... So I choose white. There's two colors of this. So this is the... There's a button maybe for there. So let's see. So it's a charging case already. So this is a little bit weird, but this goes inside your ear like that, and this flaps at the back of your ear. So it's a nice thing because it does not hurt your ear. You can wear it the whole day. So if this is the whole of your ear here, you can put it in, and then this goes to the back of your ear to clamp like this. So it will be like this. This is what the people see here. So the sound will come out here, and I try it in here, and I try it, and it's really strong actually. The bass is really good. The Bosch quality. So there's a left and there's a right. So there's also an app for this that you could change the spatial audio and the surroundings. So the quality is really good. You can use it for 7.5 hours according to the details here indicated. So there's a charging cable included and a manual. So I hope you like the review of this Bosch Ultra Open earbuds. Please like and subscribe for more gadget reviews. Thank you for watching Pinoy Techman.